Dear student, till now you learn the power exercise of 8 और आज हम करेंगे power exercise of 7. Okay, ready for it? If you not did the power exercise of 8, kindly first you do the power exercise of 8. Okay. First of all, write the formula how to add 7 in there are two different formula of adding 7. In big friend, add 10 less 3, and in combination, add 10 less 5, add 2. Okay, now here 0 value, you want to add 7, you can add direct. So 7 direct. Again you want to add 7, because there is no here we don't add direct because we have only 2 and we don't have 3 also for subtracting. So we have to use the combination formula. Add 10 less 5, add 2. Answer is 14. Combination. Now add 7, add 10 less 3, it's 21. Big friend. Now again I want to add 7, direct, it's 28. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 3, it's 35. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 5, add 2, it's 42. Combination. Again I want to add 7, direct, it's 49. Again I want to add 7, add 10 from by small friend and less 3, it's 56. We are doing skipping and big friend. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 5, add 2, it's 63. It's big friend. Again I want to add 7, combination. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 3, it's 70 with big friend. Again I want to add 7, direct, 77, direct. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 5, add 2, 84 with combination. Again I want to add 7, add 10 less 3, 91 with big friend. Again I want to add 7, direct, it's 98, direct. Again I want to add 7. Up here children, now we don't have bits here. This rod is packed and I want to use the formula add 10 less 3 because we have a 3 here. So jump in 100 rod, add 10 less 3 and clear the rod. It's 105. We are jumping and using the big friend formula. Clear? Now add 10 less 5, add 2, 112. Direct, 119, it's direct. Add 10 less 3, 126, it's big friend. Add 10 less 5, add 2, it's combination, and add 10 less 3. Like that you have to add 7 up to a number of 100, isn't it? If you have any difficulty, kindly call me at any time.